you can call me Dilla. I am studying in Sma Negeri School 1 Nogosari. I am standing here to express my opinion about tourism in Indonesia. Indonesia is one of the 204 countries in the world. Indonesia is a maritime country, a country that has many islands. This causes Indonesia to be rich in natural resources. Natural resources abundant combined biodiversity, material, energy, spirit, and mortar. Because of potential and natural resources. What is a role government in tourism in Indonesia? Currently, the government is developing in mainly truck tourism in Indonesia. At present has been together, the government is actively developing in tourism sector. This is evident. The government is combined a lot in country of foreign exchange. How not? Indonesia is a variety destination spread Sabang to Merauke. 2. What is destination can visit tourists in Indonesia? This destination include religion, education, marine, culinary, and much more. Maybe of many kids of tours, some still sound strange. However, a natural attraction in Indonesia is a million of diversity. This is a top 10 in the ice in the world. Proven by making Bali is the number 1 of attraction tourism in world. Next, so tourism provide the benefits for every human to being relieve fatigue in daily activity because can refresh the mind and the connect sector and money sector. So thanks for your attention. Bye bye.